In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build an RSVP form using Google Forms. To get started, open your web browser and go to forms.google.com. This is the home page for Google Forms where you can create a new form from scratch or use a ready-made template. Using a template is a quick and reliable way to build an RSVP form because it already includes the most common RSVP questions and a clean layout that looks professional. Once the Google Forms page loads, look toward the top right area of the screen and click Template Gallery. The Template Gallery is a collection of pre-built form designs made for common situations, like event responses, feedback, and registrations. Choosing a template helps you save time and makes sure you do not forget important details that guests may need. In the Template Gallery, find and select the template called Rsvp. Depending on your view, it may appear under a personal category or a work category. Click on Rsvp and Google Forms will instantly generate a new form based on that template. You will now be inside the form editor, which is where you customize everything. Next, begin editing the event information. Click directly on any text in the form to change it. Start with the form title and description so guests know exactly what they are responding to. Then update the event details like the date and the location. When you click into a text area, you can type over what is already there or adjust it to match your event. Keep your wording clear and specific, and make sure the date and location are easy to understand at a glance. If your location includes a venue name, include it along with any helpful context that fits in the text. As you edit, take a moment to scan what you have entered for accuracy. Small details matter for RSVPs, because guests often copy information directly from the form. After you have updated the event details, your RSVP form is ready to share whenever you are, and that is all there is to it.